everybody, and welcome to another video. If you are new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Today we are doing an Ashley Stewart haul. Everything is new. Wait, Ashley Stewart haul. Everything is new. Everything is different. If you remember in our last video, we did Wardrobe Wednesdays, and in Wardrobe Wednesdays we picked out a few items that we were going to either curve it or curve it. So these are the items from that Wardrobe Wednesday review.
Be big and ugly. You can't be big and sloppy. You can't be big and stank. It was like, you can't be big and something else. You got to pick a struggle. That was what she always said. Y'all don't get mad at me, and y'all better not get mad at my mom.
Let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it. Let them know.
Hey you, have you tried laundry sauce yet? Laundry sauce is here to help you elevate and bring a little luxury to your wash and your fold experience. If you remember last time, I told you that we'd like to try the Egyptian rose and the Italian bergamot, and gives a luxury experience all wrapped into one. One of my favorite items that I like, especially since this comes in the bergamot, this has like a bergamot and sandalwood type musk to it. One of my favorite items. I think he's not gorge. I absolutely love their pods, okay? They come in some great scents, and they're here to give you that experience that you're looking for. I used to really dread laundry, but that's no longer the case for me. And if you would like to try laundry sauce, I have just the thing for you. Get down below in the pinned comment or the description box, or right here for your convenience. Girl, one thing about it, I'm gonna give you access. Right here for your convenience, you can click on the QR code and scan it, so that way you can try laundry sauce today. Come on, and let's add a little bit of sauce and an elevated experience to your laundry. So let's get into our Ashley Stewart haul, a joy video. Okay, this is sponsored by me. Okay, our first piece is gonna be our denim piece. This is the two-piece set. It's a dress and a kimono piece. Again, everything is from Ashley Stewart. Okay, so this is like a sheath A-line dress. It's denim. It has ruffles at the bottom, lots and lots and lots of stretch. Same thing with the kimono. This is a size 26. Let's see here. Okay. Here's the link. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, y'all, so I feel like the voice part of this is a little bit low. I apologize about the audio, but listen, you guys don't know how hard I was working. I did about 4 try-on hauls at once. So I'm really excited to get back into the fashion of the things with you guys and share with you guys kind of like my perspective and where I'm coming from. On my last video, I did a Wardrobe Wednesday. I'm so in love with that type of content. I was able to sit down, relax, and actually engage with you guys about my ideas of where I want to go when it comes to my fashion for the spring and the summer. Now, this motif, I'm going to be very transparent with you guys. I feel like the way that it looked on me and the way that it looked on the example, it didn't give me the same vibes. When I wore it, I put it together with silver. I'm actually going to share that with you guys. And it just gave me Mother's Day brunch at church. usher board. I don't know. It just gave me very much so usher board. I don't know why, but that's just what it gave for me. I love everything about it though. I really like the shape. I like the fact that it was a 26, 28, but it fit me well. I like the fact that it was comfortable, but it just gave a little bit older fashion than I would like. But I still feel like it was cute. I wore it. I got a lot of compliments. Um, what can I say? I really think it's cute. I like the ruffles. I like the material. I like the color. I like the style of it. I don't know what it is that I was looking for more of that I just didn't quite get. But it's cute though, girl. I like it. Let me know exactly what you think. Be brutally honest. Put it down below in the comments. What you like, what you don't like, and what you want to see more of when it comes to fashion and styling. Not just for me, but just from the perspective of fashion with body neutrality, right? That's what I'm looking for. Body neutrality, but fashionable, right? Let's talk about what we like and what we don't like. And let's get into it. Okay? Okay, let me get this off so I can get into the next piece. I will say again, I like this. Just, I don't know, girl. Maybe we have to work on it a little bit to make me love it. But yeah, I like it. Now this next piece I was super excited about because of the design and because of the material choices. To me, this was given Amalfi Coast, Italy vibes. I like the fact that it was pants and the pants was wide leg. I like the fact that it was a 2-piece set. And I like the fact that it was like a satin sateen type material, which to me in my head was given elevated casual or elevated loungewear casual, right? Now, y'all, this was so late at night. Like, I was so exhausted. You guys haven't seen the vlog. I have so much editing to do, but I was just really tired. But, to me, the things that I liked about the pants, okay, was I felt like the pants were made in a way that they can easily be, not the struggle. The pants were made in a way that they can easily be hemmed. Sometimes these types of pants, unfortunately, especially like let's say if it's a plissé material, it's not going to be easy to be hemmed. It's going to be very awkward to take to a seamstress and get them to make any kind of alterations. But with this pant set, it would be very easy for it to be taken in, for us to be able to get it to have a hem. If you are a taller person and you have the opposite problem of me, I feel like this is a perfect set for you, okay? So let's say that. Now, the next thing that I liked was the fact that around the bust area and the back area, I didn't feel like I was doing the Hulk. A lot of times, because that is the largest part of me, because of my lymphedema in my arms and my back, I typically feel like my pants are too big and then I'm too tight around the bust and the arm area. With this particular set, I didn't feel that. I know exactly what I would wear underneath this. I would wear it with white. I wouldn't wear it with black. So that's the good thing. It is a button down. So let's say, for example, that you were able to buy it oversized, you could definitely do a tie-up type situation so that way you wouldn't be cut off and you wouldn't look frumpy. Now around wow, I didn't know I did that, but that's what I would say. You could do like a little tie-up type situation in the middle part. Now, I do need a little bit more room in the bust, so I wouldn't be able to wear it buttoned down. I would be wearing it open, and make sure that my top part was ironed and steamed well. Now, there is a little bit of an additional different pattern at the bottom, but I just don't believe that you would lose much of that even if you had to hem it. Okay, so I love the fact that there's pockets. I love the material. I love the pattern. Okay, so we talked about all of the things that I liked, right? But the thing that I don't like is that it's giving loungewear, but it also can give pajama. I feel like it's teetering on giving pajamas. I don't know what it is about some clothes lately, I feel like they've really been giving pajamas, you guys. I'm going to share a note with you. One of my largest insecurities is my back. I always feel like because of my lipedema on my back, that it's my widest part and it looks very unfeminine. So it's just very hard for me when it comes to that. So I'm proud of myself because I'm like, hey, look, this is what I got going on. This is where I'm at. This is what it is. But I really, now that I look at this set, I fall more and more in love with it. I want to do something like a butter yellow accent color, or I want to use the pattern as a neutral and then go from there. So let me know your opinions, your thoughts. I want to hear from you. You guys know the drill. Put it down below in the comments. Would you wear this? How would you wear this? What type of alterations would you make? How do you feel about it, right? Okay, moving on to the next two-piece set. What I wanted to show here was that we can wear patterns, because I was reading an article where someone was talking about, okay, if at a certain size you shouldn't be wearing floral prints. And I just, you know me, I love to break all the rules. When I saw this set, I instantly felt like it was a very elevated casual look. And it was, I feel like you could do something with it. I love that the buttons in the front are functional. I do like that it's strapless. I feel like that gives me a little bit more options to make it a little bit more comfortable. I love the pants. The fit of the pants, y'all know, listen, I think I've said this repeatedly. The fit of the pants is always my favorite. I love the pants. Now, I also let me tell you what I like about Ashley Stewart. And I think I said this also on Wardrobe Wednesday. When you get into plus size clothing, a lot of times the companies don't take time to establish fit. They just establish a pattern, or they just establish a shape of an outfit that they already have in a smaller size, and they just put more fabric into it. They don't really put a lot of time and energy into the fit. The thing that I do give a compliment to Ashley Stewart for is because even though they are body neutral to me and they have inclusivity, meaning that the sizes, can start at a 10, 12 and go all the way up to a 36, I don't feel like they just take a outfit that they created for a smaller person and just make it in a bigger size. I don't feel like they do that. I feel like they take time to cater the outfit to a bigger person. Okay, y'all. Listen. This was something different. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. Put it down below in the comments. Shout out to Ashley Stewart. We win some, we lose some. But we live to fight again another day.